Hey guys, welcome back to Retrospect. In today's video, I'll be showing you my experience ordering business cards from Moo. This is not a tutorial video, however, this is just the process that I went through in ordering and designing my business cards. So I'm keeping it pretty basic with the back of my business card and just putting the logo that I've designed for myself already and artist/illustrator, my website, and my Instagram account. I don't need to put any phone numbers or emails because I just find that those are less utilized these days, and I want that clean aesthetic of just 3 lines. I'm just playing around with typefaces and with just tweaking the tracking between the letters, making sure that they're evenly spaced and that nothing looks too jumbled together, and just playing with font size and making sure that it looks nice and smooth and legible. And once I get the back of my business card designed, I'm going to move on to the front. And the great thing about Moo is that they offer a feature called Printfinity, and that means that you can upload up to 50 different designs for the front of your card and still pay the same price. So I decided to upload just around 8 designs this time. I say this time because I've actually ordered this package of business cards twice from Moo. The first time, and the time you're seeing right now, all of the images that I edited for the front of the cards were too dark. I didn't realize it when I was editing them in Photoshop that the whites just weren't white and the midtones were just too dark. And so when I received the first order in the mail, all the printed cards were very dark, the colors were not vibrant, and I was really disappointed. So thinking that I would just ask for some advice on future orders, I contacted Moo's customer service on their website, and I think it took maybe 5-10 minutes for the customer service person to offer me a discount code so that I could order my whole order again for free. I don't know if it was my fault or if it was their fault or it was just a combination that the images were too dark or whatever, but they were very forgiving with their customer service, and I'm very grateful that they gave me a chance to order my cards again and not have to pay for my foolish mistake. Right now I am just editing the spot gloss that will appear on my card. The spot gloss mask is supposed to be only black and white, so any area that is black will be glossy, any area that is white will be left as is. So I'm just choosing to have those lines on my logo be glossy. And now here we are on the Moo website, and I'm showing you the uploaded area. All that pink stuff is going to be where the gloss will be applied. So in this preview, they're kind of trying to show where it's going to be glossy. It's kind of hard to tell. And now I'm in the process of uploading all the backs, which is the fun/time consuming part. I've already uploaded a couple, and again, these are all the images that are too dark. I didn't record the other process because by that point I was just done. So this sad image is too dark, but here I am trying to tweak it so that the crop looks nice. I didn't want that one edge of the cloud to be just on the edge of the card because I thought that would look weird. And I wouldn't recommend upsizing your uploaded image too much in the Moo uploader just because it might change the resolution. They will be printing them on a lovely 19-point paper stock, which feels really nice in the hand, and I opted for 100 cards. So because I ordered 100 cards but didn't have an even division of designs, they just prioritized the first uploaded image gets more prints and the later ones get fewer. So if you're happy with the amount of cards you have of each design, go ahead and click Add to Cart, and then you'll be taken to the checkout. And after that, it's a simple matter of forking over your hard-earned money and waiting for the fancy package to arrive in the mail. So I just received my Moo business cards. They come in this time they came in just a priority mail shipper. And they look so good! I got 2 packages of 50. And I got a couple different covers. Okay, so I've got this guy, Felix, which I'm really glad I did this one the second time. I think he looks so good. I got this guy and my Satsuma. This is a new edition this time as well. I think it looks really good. And this guy and this guy. And my favorite old one. And my favorite new one. And this garden one, which I think looks really good as a square. And then just the back. And I wish I could get that. Oh, there you go. There's that spot gloss. Here we go. And it's raised too, just slightly, so you can feel it. Okay, so here on the bottom row I have all the new ones, and on the top row I have all the old ones. So you can see the difference. Nice and bright, very dingy. It's especially noticeable here, the skin difference, and the whites look a lot brighter. This one, I changed the crop a little bit, made it a bit bigger. You can just see it looks a lot brighter. This one is pretty similar. Again, just the white's brighter, all that. This one I feel like looked really dark before. Night and day almost. I mean, I think the old ones still look good, but you can just see this one is just a little more dingy. Like, look at the difference in those blues. Bright one, dark one. Yeah, and then this guy, I think I didn't like the crop on this one. Just feels awkward with all this empty space and this little bit up here. But then this one, just pulled it out a bit more, and I think it looks good. Looks more balanced, that's for sure. They feel really nice. The cardstock is thick. It's matte, but it's got like a slippy quality to it. It's got like a slight coating, I think, so it's a bit stain resistant. They just look really sharp. I like the size of the business card too. The square shape is good. It's 2.56 by 2.56, I think. But overall, yeah, I'm really happy with everything. So if you're looking for new business cards, I definitely suggest you give Moo a try. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye!